In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track visitors on Google site. By the end, you'll have Google Analytics connected to your site so you can see who's visiting, where they're coming from, and how they interact with your pages. This is perfect for understanding what content is working and making smarter updates over time. First, open your site in Google Sites. Make sure you're in the editor, not just viewing the published version. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the editing toolbar at the top. If you manage multiple sites, choose the one you want to track. It's also a good idea to do this on a desktop browser where all the controls are easy to find, and ensure you're signed in with the account that has edit access to the site. Next, click the settings gear icon in the top right corner, then choose Analytics. The settings panel will slide open and Analytics will appear as an option you can select. If you don't see the gear icon, you may be previewing or viewing the published site. Switch back to the editor view. Once you're in the Analytics section, you're exactly where you need to be. Now, enter your Google Analytics tracking ID. This is the identifier that links your site to your analytics property. Depending on your setup, it might look like a measurement ID that starts with G or an older format that begins with UA. You can find this in your Google Analytics account. In GA4, open the admin area, select your property, and check the data streams page for the measurement ID. Copy it carefully and paste it into the field in Google Sites, making sure there are no extra spaces. If you manage multiple properties, double check that you're using the ID for the correct site so your data goes to the right place. Finally, save your changes. Look for a Save or Done button in the settings panel and confirm your update. From here, tracking begins on your published site. Analytics data isn't instant, so give it a little time before expecting reports to populate. For peace of mind, you can later check the real-time view in Analytics to see if your visit is detected. Also remember, it's best practice to be transparent with your visitors and follow any regional requirements related to analytics and cookies. That's it. You opened your Google site, went into Settings and Analytics, entered your tracking ID, and saved. With that connection in place, you'll start getting valuable insights that help you improve your site with confidence.